वेलकम बैक वसीम जी के क्विज। तो आज हमारा लेक्चर नंबर 7 है कंप्यूटर एमसीक्यूज़ के रिलेटेड। 1000 प्लस का जो हमारा सेगमेंट है उसमें से हमारा 7वां लेक्चर है। 251 से मतलब 251 से आगे हमने स्टार्ट करना है। अगर आपने इसे पहले नहीं देखे प्लेलिस्ट बनाई हुई है, वहाँ से आप देख सकते हैं। करते हैं स्टार्ट, आपका टाइम ज़ाया नहीं करेंगे। कंप्यूटर प्रोग्राम्स आर रिटन इन ए हाई लेवल प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज, होएवर द ह्यूमन रीडेबल वर्जन ऑफ ए प्रोग्राम इज कॉल्ड। So correct option is option C, source code. So question number 252. Generally you access the recycle bin through an icon located. So correct option is option B, on the desktop. Question number 253. Once information is input into a computer, it becomes dash. So correct option is option A, data. Question number 254. The taskbar is located dash. So correct option is option A, at the bottom of the screen. Question number 255. A computer dash consists of two or more computers and their devices that are connected for the purpose of sharing data and programs. So correct option is option B, network. Question number 256. What part of the computer provides only temporary storage of files? So correct option is option A, RAM memory. So question number 257. 1000 byte is a dash. So correct option is option B, kilobyte. Question number 258. Input, output and processing devices grouped together represent a dash. So correct option is option D, computer system. Question number 259. A dash is a collection of information saved as a unit. So correct option is option A, file. Question number 260. The recycle bin stored discard items until dash. So correct option is option D, you empty it. Question number 261st. Which of the following could you do to remove a paragraph from a report you had written? So correct option is option D, highlight and delete. Question number 262. Being dash means being familiar enough with computers that you understand their capabilities and limitations. So correct option is option B, computer literate. So question number 263. A blinking symbol on the screen that shows where the next character will appear dash. Correct option is option C, cursor. Question number 264. Every component of your computer is either dash. So correct option is option C, hardware or software. Question number 265. A dash backup contains a copy of every program, data and system file on a computer. So correct option is option D, full backup. Question number 266. Each box is a spreadsheet is called a dash. So correct option is option B, cell. Question number 267. To indent the first paragraph of your report, you should use this key dash. So correct option is option D, tab key. Question number 268. Numbers in table columns are usually dash. So correct option is option B, right aligned. Question number 269. The arrow keys can be used to dash. So correct option is option A. Move the cursor in the text that has already been entered. Question number 270. The computer monitor is which type of device? So correct option is option D. Output device. Question number 271. The information you put into the computer is called dash. So correct option is option C. Data. Question number 272. Which type of file is created by word processing programs? So correct option is option D. Document file. Question number 273. Example of non-numeric data is dash. So correct option is option B. Employee name. नेम की जगह पे एड्रेस भी हो सकता है, डाटा भी हो सकता है. Question number 274. When a file is saved for a first time dash. So correct option is option C. It must be given a name to identify it. Question number 275. A small picture that represents something on your screen such as a dash. So correct option is option D. Icon. Question number 276. Each dash on a menu performs a specific action. So correct option is option D. Command. Question number 277. To print a document dash. So correct option is option B. Select the print command and then select OK. Question number 278. Mr. Wasim want to send an electronic message to a friend. He should use this type of application dash. यहाँ पर नाम की बजाय कुछ भी हो सकता है, XYZ किसी का भी नाम हो सकता है. So correct option is option A. Email. Question 279. If a previously saved file is added dash. So correct option is option D. The file must be saved again to store the changes. Question 280. This can be another word for program dash. So correct option is option C. Software. Question number 281. Which of the following controls of manners of interaction between the user and the operating system? So correct option is option B. User interface. Question number 282. For opening and closing of the file in Excel, you can use which bar? So correct option is option C. Title bar. Question number 283. In negative logic, the logic state 1 corresponds to dash. So correct option is option A. Negative voltage. Question number 284. For seeing the output, you can use. So right option हमारे पास रहेगा option B. Monitor. Question number 285. The blinking point which shows your position in the text is called dash. So correct option is option A. Cursor. Question number 286. You can keep your personal files or folders in dash. So correct option is option A. My documents. Question number 287. Help menu is available at which button? So correct option is option A. Start. Question number 288. A disk content that is recorded at the time of manufacture and that cannot be changed or erased by the user is dash. So correct option is option C. Read only. Question number 289. Which part of the brain of the computer? Correct option is option B, CPU. Question number 290. You click at B to make the text dash. So correct option is option D, bold. Question number 291. In a spreadsheet program that contain related worksheet and documents. So correct option is option B, workbook. Question number 292. Changing an existing documents is called dash the document. So correct option is option C, editing. Question number 293. Data that is copied from an application is stored in the dash. So correct option is option D, clipboard. Question number 294. A website main page is called its dash. So correct option is option B, home page. Question number 295. A central computer that hold collection of data and programs for many PCs, workstations and other computer is. So correct option is option D, server. Question number 296. Name a system or organization which operate with an objective of creating a unified international transaction, processing and transmission to meet the ever-growing telecommunication requirements of the banking industry. So correct option is option D, Swift. Question number 297. Which command be used to clear the screen and display the operating system prompt on the first line of the display? So correct option is option C, CLS command. Question number 298. Which of the following computer language is a mathematically oriented language used for scientific problems? So correct option is option B, Fortran. So question number 299. A device operating at the physical layer is called a. So correct option is option C, repeater. Question number 300. Which of the following is not an input device? So correct option is option A, monitor. A monitor is not an input device. तो आज का हमारा 300 क्वेश्चन यहाँ पर कंप्लीट हो जाते हैं और लेक्चर नंबर 7 भी यहाँ पर कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। 300 MCQs कवर हो चुके हैं। बाकी प्लेलिस्ट मैंने बना दी है और आपने अगर पहले लेक्चर नहीं देखे वहाँ से देख ले, काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाएंगे आपके लिए। कोई भी आप कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम दे रहे हैं उसके लिए ये अगर आपको बने बनाए MCQs की सूरत में मिल रहे हैं क्वेश्चन, तो आपने कहीं ना कहीं आपको कोई ना कोई इसके रिलेटेड या यही क्वेश्चन में से कोई भी आपको एग्ज़ाम में आ सकता है, तो आपके लिए काफ़ी जो है हेल्प मिल सकती है इनसे। तो मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि आपका टाइम भी ज़ाया ना किया जाए और आप तक जो है वो नॉलेज अच्छे से पहुँचाई जाए। तो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में। आपका टाइम ज़्यादा नहीं लिया जाएगा।